is the BIOGLOW Future Edition field. This game includes a blue and a red half field. Each half field can be set up and used on its own to practice missions, test strategies, and refine builds before bringing both half fields together. To play the full game, 2 practice fields are combined to make a full field. Begin by unrolling and placing each mat on a flat and even surface that is clear of debris. Align the 2 mats. Then tape across the center seam to hold them together. If you are using a table with bordered walls, center the mat in all directions. Teams can practice without a table, but competitions will be held on an official table with border walls as shown. Official table building instructions can be found on the Team Materials page. In competitions, remember that volunteers work hard to get the fields just right. But you should expect and design for rare imperfections, such as bumps under the mat or changes in light. You will find sheets of dual lock in the set to secure the game models to the mat. Dual lock is a critical part of the field setup process. The squares on the mat with the X inside show where dual lock is needed. First, place a piece of dual lock sticky side down on each square. Next, place another piece of dual lock sticky side up on top of each square. These pieces will click together when the models are placed. When placing a model, align it carefully to the mat wireframe, then press down on the base of the model until you hear a click. To remove a model from the mat, lift it from its base to separate the dual lock. Now we will show you how to place and position each model in the field setup position, which should be checked at the start of each match. Once all models are placed, we will explain where to place keystone species and resource tokens. There are 2 types of tokens that need to be placed around the field at the start of each match. For the 2 clusters of tokens, do your best to place them centrally on the pond images on the map. Now that you've set up the models and tokens for one half field, repeat these steps to set up the second half field. Teams can boost the difficulty of your rainforest missions by strategically placing invasive species caps and blocks during setup. Your team can choose to place any combination of the 5 invasive species for your half of the field. Blocks must face outward, while caps can be oriented as your team chooses. Some game models require hardware. This hardware is supplied by your team and will be returned to you after the match is complete. Your team can operate the Grand Tree with a controller or with a laptop or tablet device. Before the match, you will pair this model according to your team's strategy. In competitions, the color sensor in the young forest is paired with the motor in the hive on the opposite side of the field. Teams must give a pairing card to the referee for this pairing during the match. Your field is now set up, and you are ready to play the BIOGLOW Future Edition game. Be sure to watch the game video to learn the player roles and understand how points are scored.